Hello, 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 and welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. So use the diagram to answer the question below. So we have the same diagram as the previous video, however, different question. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look here at the diagram. Again, we have a triangular prism, not drawn to scale. Okay, we still have a value of 4 meters, a value of 3 meters. We now know the hypotenuse from the previous instructional video and test question is 5. And then we have a height of the triangular prism of 8. Now remember, this prism is laying down on its side, which happens to be 3 by 8 rectangle. Okay. There are two bases. We have the right triangle is the top and the bottom base. Okay. And then we have a extended rectangle, which is 8. Now we know 8 by 5. And then we have another rectangle, 4 by 8. Right here that you can see right here. So it's important you know these diagrams. In these questions, I'm going to continue to use the same values. I don't want to confuse anybody. I just want to help you understand. Okay, that's my goal with these particular videos. All right, so this particular question I'm asking of you, or that you will see on your standardized assessments for your GED, your HiSET, and maybe some other type of exams that you might have, is what is the area of the triangular base of the prism? This is a triangular prism. Keep your answers in square meters. Square meters. So in order to answer this question, and I know I just gave it to you moments ago, you need to know that this prism is lying on its side, right? This rectangle, 8 by 3, is its side. It's lying down on its side. So you got to tip this thing up to understand this right triangle is its base. And so we need to find the area of the base of this rectangular prism. If you didn't know that, you couldn't answer this particular type of question. So I want to make sure I break that down to you. All right, so we have here, oh, I was supposed to cover that up. Ooh, you didn't see that, right? You didn't see that. We have A, the area of the base of this rectangular prism is 5 meters. B, 12 meters cubed. C, 6 meters squared. Or D, 5 meters squared. So I wanted to go over a test-taking strategy. Remember, you got to keep your answers in square meters. Square meters. So if you take a look at option A, 5 meters. Meters is not in square meters. Cross off A. Let's take a look at B, 12 meters cubed. So again, the answer is not in square meters, it's in cubic meters, 12 meters cubed. So you can cross off A and you can cross off B. Right now, even if you didn't know how to answer this question, you got it down to C or D option, which is a 50% chance of just guessing the answer correctly. Remember, on these standardized exams, it's not it's not you're not trying to get a super high score. You're trying to get a certain number of questions correct. All right, and so if you got 10 questions left, you got 5 minutes on the exam, it's okay to guess. What you don't want to do is leave any answers blank. Okay, that's a key test taking strategy as well. So that's the first question. That's the first video. Stick around. I've got 2 more videos to come in answering this particular question. What is the area of the base of that rectangular prism? Oh, baby, we got a little shaking going on. And remember, that base is a right triangle. So what's the area? Formula. for a right triangle. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take a step by step. Like, follow, and please subscribe. Thank you for joining me.